Hey everyone, Matt from Workshop Tinker is here. Well, another month, another Hackerbox. I know these are pretty much my only freaking videos right now. I'm sorry about that. I have like 3 in edit. I just haven't had time to edit them. They're easier to... Ooh, number pad. They're easier to film than to edit. I'm liking it already. Let's see. Looks like an RFID, and an RFID. A lock, a training lock. I have to compare it with my other training lock, see if it has the same bitting. It'd be funny if they do. Uno, so our Arduino Uno. Excellent. Always need more of those. InfoSec badge, buzzer, 9-volt battery, a light sensor, some these look like Hall effect sensors, magnetic sensors for security systems. I think this is going to be security themed. Well, I know it's security themed. I see lots of security. What is this? Oh, this is one of those IR motion sensors. I cannot remember what their name called. A light sensor module, I think, because there's another light sensor on a module instead of a standalone one. A laser? Might be a laser emitter, which would make sense if it's for a trip sensor, maybe. It's hard to say. Another one looks to be the same module. HW483, HW483, so 2 of those, what I think are lasers, a USB, lockpick kit. Let's see, what do they have in the picks? This is the standard Banggood set. They're not the highest quality, but they're usable. There are a lot of them though. Let's see, tension wrench, bottom of the keyway, a shutter tension, another tension, just standard tensioner. Let's see, we got two hooks here, a extractor. So actually, pick it's meant to pull keys out. So you shove it in there and pull it out. It should pull a broken off key. 2 diamonds, big and small. Figure 8, some rakes. Bogota, or not quite Bogota, and then that's a flag. Not a bag set of picks, not as good as my sparrows or anything, but not a bad set. Not a great set, but acceptable for a beginner. I mean, for until they break. Rough, sharp. I think I just got cut. Ow. You want to learn how to pick locks? Go watch Bosnian Bill or Lockpicking Lawyer. Holy crap, I've spent way too many hours watching them. Seem to never get enough of those. Tool, the Open Organization of Lockpickers. I think they are I just saw a couple of them the other week up at the local security conference, network security conference. Okay, this week is number 32, Locksport, with animation of how lock works. Arduino, and I was right, RFID. So, looks like I could probably make no servos. No servos included. Can't make an automatic unlocker, but numpad's interesting. Make your own door security. Other than there's no locks, actual real locks. But yeah, it's just an InfoSec pin. I like that. I like that a lot. That might actually go on my motorcycle vest. Some Hall effect sensors. Big ol'. Ooh, just saw that. The LED looking thing there. It's got 4 pins though, so either that's a 3-color pin or it's something a bit different. A 3-color. Anyways, I like this. This is cool. A lot of parts in here. I think that's for the door, the sensor, the RFID sensor, and then there's 2 fobs in here, not including the 3 that are in my key in my wallet. And acceptable lockpicks. Once again, I like being surprised. I like seeing these new things. I probably would have never gotten an RFID kit, but now I need to play with it because curiosity. Always, everyone, thanks much for watching. Keep tinkering. See you next time.